Hey guys, Leanne here from Leannsomethingforyou. So I got in the box, it was either Friday or Saturday, I can't remember which. Anyway, I got this box from Auctions4U, and this was from T, and it's a wonderful channel if you guys don't know it, but it's called Auctions with the number 4 and then U. It's a YouTube channel, and they do auctions on there, and it's a great reseller place to get items to list, or even for personal. They have a little bit of everything on there, and they're really sweet, nice people. It's really easy to get registered for their auctions, and they do auctions just about every night on on that channel, their own. It's just a really good community to join. So this box that I got from T, this was a mystery box that she offered, and it was $40, and she said that it will include $150 or so worth of items in it, and I jumped on the opportunity because I love mystery boxes. So it did have black plastic trash bag around it, because that's how Donna and T usually ship their stuff. It's kind of funny, but I went ahead and took that off, and then this was also taped. I haven't looked in it, but I did go ahead and get it ready because it's just easier for me to have it all ready. Alright, so I'm excited to look and see what T put in here. She has always sent good items, and I've always been extremely happy with my purchases. So here we go. Alright, we got some material in here. Very nice, thick material. I like that. Very nice. Okay, there's some little pieces and scraps in here too. Here's another, what is this? Oh no, this is a tablecloth, I think. That is really nice. I love that. I got some green and red ones, and I think that'll actually fit my dining room table. But this one here is a really nice brown, and instead of the Christmas colors, I could actually do a color that is for any type of occasion. Alright, this is nice, and if you guys ever purchase fabrics, you know how this rugged materials, they are expensive by the yard, and there is a bunch here, and I'm wanting to do like some kind of curtain to go back here across, and this isn't quite enough, but I'm thinking about maybe even piecing some of the ones that I really like together. So I don't know, we'll see. I have actually never sewed anything, and I got a sewing machine the other day, so we'll see. I don't know what it'll turn out like, but we're gonna see. Alright. Oh, these are nice. Better Homes patchwork shams. You guys see that? Got a glare on it, I know. Very nice. Bath box set. Brand new. Never even been opened. Make a good gift or even resell at that. Okay. We got some pieces of felt. Good for crafting and whatnot. I've actually never seen pieces of felt that are so colorful. Wow. I need to get out more, I think, because that is pretty cool. All the ones that I knew of was just solid colors. Alright. Aw, this is adorable. It's a little kid's apron. So cute. It's a little bee. That is so cute. Alright. We have, those are nice. I think I might keep these. I like these. These are shower curtain hooks, and they got their leaves, and I really like the natural colors and the look to those. I like those. I think these are just going to end up being mine. Alright, we got some felt, or not felt, I'm sorry, pipe cleaners as I call them. Great for crafting. Actually, all kinds of stuff you can use with those. A zippy zoom. Make a scarf in minutes. That's pretty cool. Never seen this before. With 3 easy steps. Alright, we have... Oh, this is pretty. Little trinket box. Beautiful little angel on top. Very neat. Set this over here. I don't want to break it. Looks like some crocheted. I hope I got that right. That's how much I know about sewing. Squares. Not sure what, I mean, you could use them for whatever you wanted, I'm sure. But there's a bunch here. Alright. Let's see. Continuing on, we have some rub-on hand-painted look. What is this? I don't know, but it looks like you can rub this on, hold on one second. Hey guys, I'm doing a video, hush. A bag or, I'm sorry, my daughter's being really loud. They just come in from outside because it's so nice. But anyway, yeah, that's really neat. Here we go, a stainless steel flask. Can't show it but a second, but it's got a bad word on it. I like that. That's funny. That would actually make a good gift for one of my husband's friends. All right. That's funny. We got some temporary tattoos. We got, looks like a battery pack. And a charger here. It says Roku on it. And a couple cords. Little piece of lace. And I guess that's for like a round table, I guess. Lorelai, be quiet, please. Some fabric. Pieces. Or something. Well, I don't know what this is. Hold on. Well, that just confuses me. I think it's sewn together. I have no idea. Okay. Some more fabric. We have, oh, this is pretty. Look at that. And this is actual material too. That is nice. That is beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Very pretty. Some rings. We got another cord. Never can have enough of those. Oh, here we go. We have some patterns, it looks like here. We got all these. And then we got these patterns. All right, awesome. That's kind of cool. All right. And then some more fabric. A little porcelain doll by Limited Collection. And she's got movable joints. Very cute. And it looks like a bag of goodies here. I'm sorry guys, I'm just kind of running through this because everybody decided to come in while I was doing this video and be loud, so. Alright, so we got some American flag. Looks like maybe placemats there. And oh, I like this fabric here. That's cool. Look at this. This is awesome. I'm definitely going to do something with this for sure. And then we got some other pieces and whatnot in there. And there is also all this black, or not black, sorry, red, blue, and white lace too that I can do stuff with. Alright guys, that is about it, I think. Maybe but a few other little pieces in there. I'm going to go ahead and make this a short video because, like I said, everybody decided to come in and be loud all at once. So, either way, it was fun. I'm going to get all this picked up and put it where it belongs, and hope everybody has a good afternoon. Please check out that Auctions4U, and if you get on there, tell them Leanne sent you. Like I said, we always have so much fun, and you find some really unique items from them, and their lots, like I said, are more towards for resellers, for resale, but they are for, you know, individuals too, like this. Yeah, I'll probably keep most of it. And I'm also going to be doing an auction with Dolly Dolls. That's another good YouTube channel to look for. She does auctions a few times a week, I think, and she's got some really cool pieces too. So Tuesday, let's see the date. Looks like 25th, yeah. Tuesday the 25th, I'm going to be on Dolly Dolls' channel doing a live auction. So be sure you sub to my channel and click that icon down there, the bell icon, to get notifications, because I'll be on her channel then. And then the Tuesday after that, I think it'll be the 3rd of March, she is actually going to come on my channel, and we're also going to have my mom there, which is Cents into Dollars is her YouTube channel. So it's going to be me, my mom, Cents into Dollars, and Dolly Dolls on my channel on March 3rd, which I am super nervous but looking forward to. So I hope you guys join me for all that. Like I said, it's a lot of fun. Whether you're a reseller or you're not, it's still a lot of fun. Alright guys, I won't keep you. Have a good day, and I hope everybody checks out the auctions. Thanks. Bye.